too much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so ena ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho ena de bia mehwe abrotefo ene Ghana for mo wiasa fa na me recommend emamo too much GH.
For a too much GH and a money goes to Amushe. Midday Edna na ama Usa and Tamaba and who being here past and Medimidra, the Machochemu Ede Atremo, Ewa, my God, the Muhasen, and Nunti, and a Sabe minimum Edi and Shemuno. Never say for Philaba, Philaba, Philadabo, Baby. Filana Dawson, Mr. Mefidu Munia, Ewo, a channel ye so. Now I have been. If you now watch your messing now what you will one of the hottest beef I see ever Ghana have part in history, the whole of history, one of the hottest money beef that is here they boom criminal. Now beef way aqua na send am catch your man talk at there hey who here who just tell us to partner with your man talk at here and some of it say no revelations try Revelations for Makasa and some wo and some hint out that I won't see being penny them that I say obi shadan tin kakra and say what to say ma to kwa de ko ben kakra nyama obete no obi hu oba no profile obi hu ni bibia e wo sa and to kwana say sa na ma to kwa te ye emotional about everything you sensitive about everything bibia ya apply passion and unti and a man beef no o ma apply passion na passion o ma apply ni e wo to say e say ade eni so ya shinko for any aba ho obi a obi a be say ohun say na ensem na eko one na ewi ni one na edi nkuni one na to say the punchlines no e hot one pan na otimi rattle to say owo swag no otimi dan ho e de ensem en nante to say ma eni efe no one pan na ye ne sa na ye hu asesi ade akoye 2222 I say obi a would draw obi a the same line yes sister fear wono no sha say to my finish as here o release WMT woman me hence I don't know release na later on obeka say empowerment song no o release no e de sha here and the biem so no o sabe reply response awonya e wo WMT nechi no o be reply with YGN you got next no into no two and my about to edit chete for near phone ebiem so no end up Baroni no say the second on the plate one also there what they buy no rap goddess what they be addressing issues they be try say one understanding you one the king of the queens this is the fear so say Queen Solomon tie the heart on chairman na king of the queens so Endo Baroni also be try nsem ase or the second on the plate to also be the rap goddess ebedani nsem ni ebiem so no or the argument done ebe silence say kofona na oni omu ebibi say na or expect say eno na be yon silencer now so that be ensi honum na we wan kill beef no wo that be wan kill argument done ni echi no wo bi so ekenya no no nka Kenya no ho I want to say the third girl on the plate Feeder Rhymes MTN Hitmaker the 6th season or no ena sem na make no na MTN Hitmaker no to say from Hitmaker home nya no ahye na drink it say on there e ba na stop here dey obetimi afa ho dey agini din obetimi aratel twa ho obetimi aratel shemfinfin obetimi aratel for left obetimi aratel for right or betwa every corner enunti ono so e dey KMT comot e dey baye asase animu e bra stefia e release ne dey fresh na I say pressure tonus no ato pressure ma wona nkasa hu no e no the KMT e ba address stefia say or no emotional singer e no say odan no rapper or the KMT ni ba na elo ba ni release rap goddess no want to say distraction bi ba honum sem bi pejan hu e wo otum say na feed around to abapiemu e wo elo ba ni ensem no emu eno nti my sister fia na ababiem say na me kan no e de YGN you got nerves ni ba na you got nerves na argument di e chede ba ya se sia de they must feed around so enya two ne say wo no so at the point of correction by to be addressed argument done any you got next na massa ebusia for enyom no punchlines ensem die nim any die nim ni an epiemu ewo mu na no ena ko form do wani edi this year and na me mai from mata say beef kesi a They say a man among jidin, they say I'm popular. My page up, almost status a page. I say, oh, dear, need do much. And no, and I go for many days about out. I say, oh, okay. I'm very attitude, the air coastal, ewo, mano, afam. Now, one of them, I may say, one of them are not so very attitude, or not so your oba, I also friend of home queen, Wendy Shea. Me and pastor when the shade there, I shall send a sister here. Eddie, you got the first one WMT, yes. Or they woman may add the ebayano. You say me can it minka, referring to my mechanism. Or the woman may add the ebayano. Or address the issue be woman connected to when the shade. Or one of me expect say maybe almost bad song, so a musician and to almost better new beat to reply. Yes, sister here, but or kasa 1 or 2 be our social media on Instagram once I their money below. As a million ekasa, same name on ekasa be star on be. And you take people of fashion and for not drink, and fire drink in dinner. But to see a day when the share about our says, to see a day, one no. Who say a beef be and the cost of manner phone? Send and go for every circulating of focus and manner son to be asked you to say, and man, money go when my son don't win. I wouldn't say, to see a day, and you don't be an abo man afan. As I say, no air be a man. Ama the outside world, a be a drama man is almost to meet me. Sorry, a shiny son of woman, that because for some time, I say a money underground, they come musicians are gonna have cramp and shut out for monk can be 1 and 2 be penalty to say, boys not overshadow Montisano, or no when the shade air patch say, who say, a man what add there now, one a empowerment. And one more empowerment, a beer flow can say Edema and my music industry. Never for young person a young bano, ekano, Queen Shay, or Chilemu said, you call it beef, I call it women empowerment. All I see is women showcasing their talent. Female artists are gradually waking up. Sir, and our car will perform only tweet mu, ede etu hona. And the other one says, I know the send an air cost and focus and to qua beef, no who beef be a who Nambia and whom quite will be, but who be form. Now, the only say a man, one more pray or multi our industry. One more pray or mujina our industry. Whom say, when you be said, Oma Kenya, so no matter, they said, Omania, eh, woman, ya brave almost to air press stand, our music industry, and never no overshadow, Nunti, or born in same. Or pony same or poor my bass so my depa because the Elmoyano, I'm not any abom. Now, certain crampo, a year, Frida rhymes everything in the point of correction company, you says I could declare Abema, Eno Baron in terms of what me say, and go for us shall say acknowledge and man effort into who say talent pa and no showcase in Tepa Elbeboa. Now, don't say. When the show, me who send the PM or the beginning of the beef, no to come out for her to say this, no. I say as I said, my tree to be about girl now for one. I'm on this. I said, very sweet to say they were my level so or 2 points on my to say they were train 24 level or train maturity level. Now, I queen mother didn't tell now. He said that be when the show was on level. He said they on fun home for it. They say, Kolan say mutuso or Casacra, Nimdia etch to Musang and some of the 2 honor a Ajincasia Asempa. Send will be on his sent to Quay and to Kohunu and then to Quay here and away I come away to me and to Quay and Fan of Falcon Domana Tuna Awin on the who say, or who a brighter future, who silver line in the morning yawn, or who say a awakening at the man and mano and a empowerment to at the man to or no air beauty on that. From what she's saying, what say, or they do on that, sir. They come back into the industry room and I said, the Indian crowd, Baby, who say a bit more fire, like a bit fireworks because so when we say we employ empowerment, and I better say, a man is there, one more lady and told something else. It said, every time I expect it, and Nicki Minaj star only be our Ghana has it. It me expect Cardi B movie star only be because omu krom omu so ma jomu do omu so e wo baby omu gina mema no e respect omu house say mema na anyone pray omu stand into to say from what when the Shay is saying no very soon na young man so omu gina ho a be omu that respect me acknowledge omu with that stand say okay omu ya there enye every time right can rap king rapper na dey ni akwache sakode very soon from the way when the Shay ehu nyama no wan hwe cry ka rapper ye be bo eno baroni and say sister fia and I say Frida rhymes and I will be there so they no back join a group way ehun ebi to say the econ there from when the Shay no point of view no e be boa pa e be boa ama emano wo metimi enya kukudo aba out say say wo mbra out no from the beginning na ni niam no You have bibi wo ho. You have bibi wa ha say. And some media they have many punchlines no. And some like everybody no. Somewhere so looking like say a good woman can some moving. The way are almost cat and seminal the way if the rhyme see point of correction, you say no all can I say emotions be attached and a man talk about it or can't be say oh you say why you say be no day rap and now creativity now and almost showcase. Creativity now you almost showcase because creativity now will be same will be private life and will be secret and I said will be not debut or you with massive baby and I would hear with creativity. Does it also count for creativity in the industry? Did you want to question way at minimum move on MY embedded to say a moon and move from Bemi comment session or a won't be here pa and when you the drink ever when the share so the point of view of all that is going on in the music industry if I manner a kind manner fana rap this in that ecosona. The would you phone and fatuja ewatima GH. Maybe I was to know a mount refi say, yeah, video way over share Edema will be our bomb to a good dear aircon. Midin de a bacope, Nana Alma Obusa, sa, will be a edit from into so bet me at the affemisa. Now, bet me a follow ye our Instagram at SumaGH_. I had an American quiet on the Jumadian AC. Subscribe, Macron.